Hello children, welcome back to my talks, English classes for standard 12th, and here we are with chapter 5th, Vistas, okay, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? And the author of it is John Updike. So the story deals with a child's views of the world, okay, and the difficult moral questions, because children want everything to end happy ending. Okay, so here the girl, she raises during the story session with her father. The father keeps telling stories to the child, okay, and she had become accustomed to, or putting it the stories, hearing stories from her father with happy ending. Okay, and here they have a daughter and a son. Got it? So the tradition itself was now 2 years old of telling the stories, and John had been 2 when it started. So these stories were almost the same except from slight variations. Every day father, what the stories he told his children, they were more about the same, a little variation here and there. Okay, so it started with a creature usually named Roger. So Roger fish, Roger squirrel. So Roger is a name every time. So sometimes the Roger would be fish, sometimes Roger would be squirrel, sometimes chipmunk, whatever it is. Okay, so only the name would change. And who had some problem and went with it to the wise owl. So there would be a wise owl and there would be these creatures. Okay, the owl directed him to go to the wizard who would solve his problem in exchange for a few pennies. So the wizard, the owl would take some few passes, some pennies, and he would solve their problems. Okay, more than the creature had in the same breath would direct the creature to go to a place where he could find it. So otherwise he would direct the creatures to go to a certain place to find out the solution. And then the Roger creature would be happy and would return home just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy home from Boston. So finally what the story says, that every day the story which the kids heard from their father, okay, had very little variations. Okay, there was a Roger and there was this owl. So only sometimes Roger would be fish, sometimes some other creature would go with some problem to the owl. The owl would take some pennies, solve the problem, or he would direct them to go somewhere else to get the problem solved. And finally they would return home happy. Okay, so that used to be the story every time. That is the introduction. And once when it changes, there the problem arises. So the main theme of this story is the relation of children with their parents. Okay, so children's fantasies and the messages of stories. Today's children also love to hear stories. They bring with them affect children and sentiments and make them critical. Okay, so the main characters are Jack. He is a married man. He has got his wife. Claire is pregnant and they have a 4-year-old daughter, Joe, and a 2-year-old son whose name is Bobby. Joe, again, as I said, 4-year-old daughter, and Roger Shunk, okay, he is again, as you say, Roger Shunk is the protagonist of the story, and that Jack narrates to Joe. So every time the story is about this Roger, and Roger is named every time in a different name. So that is the characters. So finally we come to the summary. So the story, children, okay, written by John Updike, revolves around the conflicting areas, the conflicting views of the child and a parent on the child's future. Parents normally what they do, they express their own expectations. They desire that the children should grow up, okay, as per their expectations. However, children have their own ambitions and aspirations, okay, which do not tally with the parents many of the times. Now Jack used to tell his little daughter Joe bedtime stories, and when she grew a little older, she began to ask a number of questions. Till children do not have that much of thinking ability, they believe whatever we tell. But as soon as they can think and they can question, they start putting questions. For some time, Jack was not able to invent new stories. Thus, the basic story was the same, but the hero changed, as we did earlier. Okay, that Roger, that name, the same name kept on changing. So here the owl directs Roger to the wizard, and the wizard solved the problem with his magic wand. Roger felt good, played along with the animals of the woodland, but when his father used to come back, he went back home to eat supper with him. So Joe felt every time very happy with a happy ending. But later one day, the father told the story of a little animal called Roger Shunk, and just like other heroes of his story, even Shank had a problem. So he used to smell awfully bad. Like उसके body से एक अलग smell आता था. That okay, and the wizard made him smell like roses. So wizard again gave him the power that he could smell like rose. Okay, and little animals, all the other animals also, instead of making fun, they started liking him and they started playing with him. So Joe was again happy that Shank was happy, and however when Shank went home, okay, his mother did not like it. His mother wanted to get back his original smell, that foul smell. So she took Shank again back to the wizard, and the wizard again made Shank smell as foul as before. Okay, so Shank's mother was very happy that he again started smelling foul. However, Joe was not happy. Joe was hearing the story from his father, did not get happy. And she desired that the wizard, what the wizard should do, should hit the stupid mother. Okay. And however, Jack defended the mother's action, being father. Okay. So, the father tried to tell the daughter that whatever the mother decided, that was correct, because the mother knew what was correct. Okay, and here again there was you can say a difference in opinion between the father and the daughter. Okay, and that is what the name comes, should wizard hit mommy. Okay, because the girl wanted the wizard to hit the mommy because mommy made Roger smell foul, and the end was not happy. So this is the story. Okay, should wizard hit mommy. So this story, we finished the summary. Okay, and hope you must have understood. Okay, so again, put comments, children. Do, when you watch it, when you understand, just write one sentence that you have liked it. Okay, that will inspire me and boost me to make beautiful videos for you. Thank you. Keep liking.